Welcome. Today, we are going to identify methods used by the Old Testament prophets to pass on their messages. Then we discuss Amos' teaching on hypocritical religion. And lastly, we identify ways in which the rich are exploiting the poor today. Methods used by the Old Testament prophets to pass on their messages. Number one, through public speeches, through symbolic actions or symbolic acts, through written letters, use of personal experience, by performing miracles, through dialogue, through songs. Amos' teaching on the hypocritical religion. To Amos, the people of Israel put a lot of importance on the external observances of religion laws in place of sincere worship. Number two, they brought gifts to the temple that were products from stolen land. Some sacrificial animals were fattened on land acquired in unjust ways. They practiced hypocritical religion as they worshipped God, yet rebelled against his covenant. Their sacrifices were worthless, as their utterances did not uphold God's will during these occasions. Amos warned people that their hypocritical lifestyle had kindled God's anger. Amos taught people against their empty sacrifices at Bethel and in Gilgal. Amos taught people against engaging in ceremonial worship while they were unjust, corrupt, and oppressed the poor. Ways in which the rich are exploiting the poor in the society today: grabbing their land, underpayment in cases of casual jobs, failure to pay them all their dues, sexual exploitation, overcharging in certain commodities, human trafficking in foreign countries, child labor, poor working conditions. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below and what video to look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.